Hello, here is Dinar and you are watching the video digest in which we cover the most important events in the history of the string transport and Skyworld community over the past weeks. In this release, the company developer of the string transport has become an exhibitor at Smart Cities India Expo 2022. Anatoli Unitsky has inspected the installation of the anchor units on the test track in Sharjah. The EXPO Limited offer with a discount of up to 1:80 is again available in your personal office. And now more about these events. The company developer of the string transport has become an exhibitor at Smart Cities India Expo 2022. It's one of the largest technology exhibitions held in the Indian capital, New Delhi, from the 23rd to the 25th of March. This year's exhibition focuses on eco-friendly solutions in the transport, energy and IT industries. A total of 800 companies and organizations from 27 countries took part in the event. At its stand, the company developer presented the innovative second-level transport that is environmentally friendly, saves energy consumption, and ensures a high level of safety for passengers. As a reminder, the string transport has previously been demonstrated at more than 20 exhibitions. EXPO 2020 and Future Cities Show in the Arab Emirates, InnoTrans in Germany, and Railway Tech in Indonesia are among them. The next news comes from Sharjah. String Transport Project founder Anatoli Unitsky personally has inspected the progress of the installation of the anchor units on Test Track 4. An anchor unit is a crucial part of the transport complex. This element bears most of the horizontal load, which can be up to 900 tons. This is why the current phase of the work requires special attention. Anatoli Unitsky inspected each anchor unit himself and checked the quality of the materials and the places of joints. As a result, no deviations from the design intent have been detected. Thus, the installation of string rails on Track 4 is getting ever closer. We will wait for the next news on the progress of the work in Sharjah. In the meantime, let's move on. On the 31st of March, the EXPO 2020 exhibition, which in many ways shaped the outlook for the project in the Middle East and around the world, comes to a close in Dubai. To mark the occasion, the EXPO Limited offer is once again available in the personal office. Now everyone can invest at the discount of up to 1:80, but please note that the offer will close after the 31st of March and will not be renewed. Until then, you still have the opportunity to get more shares for your investment and support the stable development of the project. Follow the link in the description to this video for detailed EXPO Limited terms and conditions. That has been all the news for today. Subscribe to the SWC YouTube channel and enable notifications not to miss the next news releases of the video digest. See you later!